Welcome. Thanks for visiting our channel once again, my friends. Realize Guyana, home of all the traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be making a Lord Krishna offering Prasad, which goes with Bahambog. It's no other than Panjiri. So for that we have our ingredients here. We're going to be using some all-purpose flour, some sugar, some ghee, and black pepper. Now black pepper is a part of Panjiri. Some people don't like to use it, but in this recipe we're going to use it because it's usually used. So for this recipe we're using half a cup of flour, 1/8 of a cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of ghee, and a pinch of black pepper. So let's get started with this recipe, guys. So in our handy dandy karahi we're going to add our ghee first, which is, the karahi is already hot, as you can see. So now we're going to add our flour. So you're going to let this parch in your ghee, the flour. So we have to parch this until it changes color, it gets a bit brown. And if you would like, you can use rice flour as well for this panjiri. You can use either all-purpose flour that we are using or the rice flour. So we're going to parch this until it gets the desired color, and we'll continue. Alright guys, so it's changed the color a bit. It's got a bit darker, but it has to go more than this. So we'll continue to parch this until it gets a bit darker. Alright, so look at this color carefully. This is almost there. This is what you're looking for. As brown as this. So if this starts smoking a lot, just lower your stove a bit and continue to parch it until you get this color. Alright guys, so that's it. And this is finished parching here now. So we're going to remove this from our stove. So we're going to empty it out into this bowl. And that's it. So we're going to let this cool off a bit before we add our other ingredients. So we've waited for our parched flour to cool off a bit, guys. It's still a bit warm, but that's fine as long as it's not hot. So we're going to add our sugar now. We're going to add half a tablespoon of sugar, and that's all you need. And a sprinkle of black pepper. And we're going to mix that in now. Yeah, so once you've mixed that up well, incorporate everything. That's it. Your panjiri is ready. And as I said, it's an offering to Lord Krishna. This is usually made at those times and goes with your Prasad. So if you like this recipe, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the notification bell so you get updates from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.